Welcome to today's video on sonnets in English literature. A sonnet may look small, but it holds immense poetic power. Definition: a sonnet is a poem of 14 lines, usually written in iambic pentameter, that expresses a single, unified thought or feeling. Word origin: the word sonnet is derived from the Italian word sonetto, meaning little song, or little sound. Inventor of the sonnet. The sonnet form was invented by Giacomo da Lentini in 13th century Italy, and later perfected by Petrarchan. Two main types of sonnets in English. In English literature, we mainly see two types of sonnets, the Petrarchan or Italian sonnet, and the Shakespearean or English sonnet. Structure of a Shakespearean sonnet. The Shakespearean sonnet is composed of 3 quatrains followed by a rhymed couplet. The rhyme scheme is a bab cd cd ff gg. Structure of a Petrarchan sonnet. The Petrarchan sonnet consists of an octave and a sestet, with a rhyme scheme of a barba followed by variations like cd or cd cd cd. Themes of sonnets. Common sonnet themes include love, time, beauty, mortality, nature, and philosophical reflections. Famous sonneteers. Notable sonneteers include Shakespeare, Edmund Spenser, John Milton, Elizabeth Barrett Browning, and William Wordsworth. Sonnet 18 example. Let's look at Shakespeare's Sonnet 18, Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? This sonnet immortalizes beauty through verse. Voltare or turn. The voltare or turn is a thematic shift in the sonnet. In Petrarchan sonnets, it appears after the 8th line, in Shakespearean, often in the final couplet. Memory trick: sonnet equals 14, remember sonnet equals 14. Each letter stands for something: structured, organized, narrative, noted, emotional, theme. And of course, 14 lines. Language and tone. Sonnet language is often formal, metaphorical, and lyrical, aiming to evoke strong emotions or intellectual engagement. Characteristics of a good sonnet. A good sonnet is well structured, thematically deep, musically resonant, and ends with a surprising insight or punch. Impact on English literature. Sonnets shaped lyrical poetry in English, inspiring major literary movements from the Romantics to modernists. Sonnet sequence. A sonnet sequence is a series of sonnets interconnected by theme or narrative, like Sidney's Astrophil and Stella. Sample MCQs. MCQ tip: always remember structural clues and rhyme schemes. They often form the basis of exam questions. Related literary terms. Some related terms include iambic pentameter, quatrain, sestet, voltare, and rhyme scheme. Sonnet in modern poetry. Contemporary poets like Seamus Heaney and Claude McKay have modernized the sonnet with bold themes and structures. Long answer topics. For essays, explore comparisons between Petrarchan and Shakespearean forms or analyze a specific sonnet's theme and structure. Conclusion. To conclude, the sonnet may be small in form, but it's grand in expression and has left a timeless mark on literature.